How to fix time of day not set? Please run setup program. First of all, we should go to the BIOS setting by pressing F2 on Dell computer, but different computers use most of the time F2 or F12. When we come to the BIOS setting, it shows here the setting. We should go to the date/time by arrow keys on the keyboard. Here we should come down date and time and press this key or tab key on the keyboard. This is the tab key. Press that one. When you press that one, it goes to on the date. Today's date is May 05 and press this. Go to the day. Go to the date. This 13th 24. The time we should set up, and by pressing the tab key we go to the exit. When it comes to the exit, press enter. That's all. Thank you.